is your number one source of new customers? 99% of business owners I ask this question to respond referrals or word of mouth. And this is great because referrals typically make the best new customers, and it's a testament to your valuable product or service. But if you want to grow your business at a consistent and predictable pace, referrals won't cut it. Waiting for the phone to ring is not a proactive marketing strategy. And you don't need to try every new marketing trend, post on all the social media platforms, or attend endless networking events, all of which are exhausting and inefficient. Instead, I teach savvy business owners how to simplify and scale up by identifying where you're leaving money on the table to increase revenue quickly, creating an action plan based on revenue-driven strategies, not referrals, setting up a process that brings in new customers consistently, and trading overwhelm and clutter for clarity and focus. If you're an established entrepreneur who wants more customers, more revenue, and more time, then join me August 15th at the Grapevine Chamber of Commerce for my Roadmap to Revenue workshop.